Good afternoon, everyone. Ethan here again. Today is Sunday, January 18th, 2026. And we're back on the third day making an update this week for the setup for the Super Bowl at Levi Stadium. Yep, that's crazy. Yep, this update gonna be on the shorter side because in the last 2 days they were quite long, and make another long one today will be overkill. Bus stop. And yep, they're done with the sign today. And yesterday just stopped at the first line for the L. Now the L is all done. Now the sign is completed. Yeah. Let's go. Yep. Just walking along Tasman Drive. And yep. Yeah, I'm still working on the tents over there. Oh, look. It's the workers. Yep. It's all fenced off. And here it is. All done. Looking nice. Home of the faithful. That's what it said. Yeah. I don't know. Kids still get inside. Inside or not. Or just fence them all off. Today, yep, we could walk in yesterday and have a good view. And now, I don't know. Bold look ahead. And looks like there's a gate over there or whatever. And just walk it up. Yep. Looks like they want to expand the sites that way. Yeah, the march started on Tuesday. And then the Mission College Library. And then here. Wow, crazy. Hello. See. Yep. Gotta be a shorter video now. Then hey, I think we could still get in there. Yep. No forklifts or heavy equipment allowed on the bridge. That's too heavy. Don't want to break it. Ooh, looking good. And that's yeah. And looks like the tower is now complete. Hey. And B, yep, his bicycle is still in the way. Yeah, I gotta watch out. Yeah, Ticketmaster. And that's where you can check in. Yeah. And yeah, there's all the scanners in one place. I don't know why. Ah, working. And looks like they build up more of the tent to there. Now it's the whole thing, not just one side of it. And all I need to do is put on the cloth. One day. Look at that, looking good. It's completed. Yep. Looks like they start working early in the morning. Yeah, looks like not much left. Looks like they've done in the morning or something. Yeah. Look at that. Looking good. Man, oh man. Yeah. Super Bowl. And in the background you can see LX. That's Roman numerals for 60. Super Bowl 60. Yeah. You see some people driving carts around in the parking lot. Yeah, it's a creek down here. Ooh, good. Yeah, here it is. Super Bowl 60. Looking good. Whoa. All complete. Yeah. And all you need to do is to finish all the structures and stuff before the Super Bowl actually starts on February 8th. Beep, 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 beep. Yep. Looks like another nice warm day today. Yeah. Looks like this whole weekend gonna be a nice spring day. Yep. You know, we hate winter. Yeah, because it's too cold. And the nice warm days in the middle of winter. Feeling good. Nice day to be out here. Okay. Beep, 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 beep. Yep. Yeah. We got a few weeks to build up all the stuff before it all starts. Yep. Looks like people around the country will be here watching the Super Bowl, either by coming here or just watching TV. Yep. It's a big event. Yeah. Tower looking good. There's a directory on it. And a code of conduct. There's a map of the area. See what's around or whatever. Looks like the FIFA World Cup gonna take place here this summer. And they would turn the football field into a soccer field. Yep, that's what they're gonna do. And the whole world gonna be there. Not just the whole country. Yeah, it could get really bad. Yep. Yep. And looks like some concert gonna happen there over there too. Or whatever. Yep. And let's head to Great America Parkway and see the view from there. We're at the Hilton now, and you can see Levi Stadium from here. Yeah, here's the sign, all complete, and nice views from this hotel. And here's the convention center, just two pyramids, has these flames painted black, and here's High Regency nearby. Yep. Let's walk down, tops. Okay, hope I find. Yeah, those signs looking good. The room number is lit, and it's indicated that you can see the door is locked or unlocked. Green means unlocked. Red means locked. These elevators again. And looks like they decorated the elevators for the Super Bowl. Oh. Look. Looking good. Yeah. You see some pictures in the L and X. Yeah. There's the Golden Gate Bridge and stadium and stuff. Hey. And yep. There's another logo right behind the front desk. Who? Yep. Looks like they decorated the Hilton for the Super Bowl. And let's head towards that side over here. Yeah, this is just the Hilton parking lot. And here's some spaces for compact cars and more. And here's some normal spaces too. And there's Great America. You can see some lights. Here it is again. And you can see some tents too. There. Sign. Yep. Looking good. And there's a corner line there somehow. Ow! Shit wood. No public access. Waking staff only. Yeah. Yo, hey. So, oh no, shit. Okay, here's the other side. Okay, here's the sign, the logo, right in front of the stadium window. Yep. Okay, let's end the video here for now. Yep. We came here 3 days in a row just to make an update. And for the midnight, if you include the Mission College Library one that was made at night, and guess what? Another Mirage update was released today. And yep, it was actually made last night, by the way. Yeah, it was a night update, by the way. Yep, it started off with a night drive. Yep, Duntov was taking his 2 kids, making an update altogether. Yeah, he was driving from the Las Vegas sign to the Mirage site. And, yep. And then he just head to the Treasure Island parking garage and film from there with his 2 kids. Yeah. And yep, Duntov has made 4 updates this week. Like us. Yep. 3 Mirage ones, one on Monday, another on Friday, and one from yesterday that was actually released today, and one for Day Stadium, which was on the former Trop site. Yep, that's crazy. That's a lot of updates just for us in Duntov. Okay, let's end it. Okay, see you again, maybe next week or so, for another update for the setup for the Super Bowl. So, bye for now. Have fun, everyone. Wow. That's a lot for this whole week. This week is crazy.